Okay, we play. Nana. Number 1. Go in the circle. Okay, push in. Yay! Clever! Number 2. The heart shape goes in here. Slowly. Oops. Okay, push inside. Yay! Clever! Then the number 3 is the triangle. Triangle, push in. Okay, push in.
Clever, clever.
4 is the square. The blue square. Hang on, mommy. Put this one. Okay. Okay, push. Yay! Clever. Okay, number 5. Star. Okay, go in. Push. Yay!
So clever, baby.
Alright. Clever lah. And take out. Start again, yes? Open the boot. Take out. Now you know. Can you see number 5? Put on top. Yay! Clever.
Clever.
Triangle. Put inside. Yay! Clever. Okay, look. Number 4 is a square. Hang on. Oh. Okay, push. Put inside. Yay! Clever. Okay, push inside. Yay! Clever. And then the heart shape goes in here. Ui! Put inside. Put inside. Put inside. Ui! Put the heart shape inside. Push. Ui! Come on. Push inside. Yay! Clever.
Clever, boy.